Welcome back to the eighth module. Welcome back to the eighth module, in which we will talk about how to boost our ROI, how to increase our conversion rate. So I am going to share you how you can increase your conversion rate. First of all, we need to know about what is conversion rate. Conversion rate is that for particular product, for particular service you are advertising, for particular service you are advertising, in which average number of sales divided by goals achieved per click. Like I'm getting 100 clicks and I'm getting one sale, that means the 1% is my conversion rate, and that's how conversion rate works. For conversion rate, PPC conversions, for search ads minimum it is 3%, for display ads it is 0.5%. To increase our conversion rate, we need to focus on few things, like we need to create better landing page. For better landing page, I mean like on landing page that should be mobile responsive, that should be effective to display your product or service, that clearly visible to your call to action, that clearly visible to your content, that clearly visible to optimized by your images or videos or particular content that you are advertising for, particular product or service you are advertising for. That content must be relevant to your product or service. That's how landing page must be worked. And I strongly recommend you to add a pop-up form or fill-up form for lead creation, for shopping ads. I strongly recommend you to use the checkout or buy page, landing page for your advertising product. Okay, so create the better landing page improves always conversion rate. And after that, we must have to analyze and optimize the purchase funnel. Like how purchase funnel works. Like if you are targeting good relevant keywords, that mean your ad will display, and if you are targeting good ad copy, that mean your ad is being clicked, and if your ad is being clicked, that mean you have to create best landing page within your competitors, and you have to display your features, so you have to display your benefits. I am going to differentiate with two things, like benefits and features. Like features are the product, and benefits for the customer, benefits for the purchaser, for the lead form filler, or what service or what product they are looking for. So always show the benefit, don't display the features, always display the benefit in particular analyzing the funnel. After that, create a relevant landing page. After creating that landing page, create relevant ad copy as well. Like if your ad is not relevant to that particular keywords, that mean your keywords are not being triggered to display the ads. If you have already improved your ads and landing pages and keywords, that mean your quality score will be improved, and that's how quality score need to be improved. If your quality score is being improved, that mean your ad rank is being getting more and more results in form of traffic and in form of less cost. Invest on remarketing. Always recommend you to use the remarketing ads as well. Like if you are not doing remarketing, that means you are leaving the customers to grab the conversion, to attract to take action on your website or apps or your video content. Choose the right keyword match type. I strongly recommend you to use keyword match types. Like I already told you, 4 keyword match type: broad match type, phrase match type, exact match types. Now I'm going to share you few things as well. There are the few keyword types as well, not match types, keyword types as well. Like there will be some purchase keywords, like buy DSLR camera, buy Canon camera, that are the purchase keywords. Buy, purchase, or Canon 100D, 200D, cost, that is or price, that is purchase keyword. And there are some informational keyword as well, like Canon 200D specification, Canon 200D requirement, Canon 200D features, that are the informational keywords. And what are the brand keywords? Like Canon 200D, that's only the brand keyword. Canon DSLR camera, that's the brand keyword. And if I will talk about there are some few transactional keywords as well. What are the transactional keywords? Like where to buy Canon 200D, Amazon 200D, that are the buying keyword with brand keywords as well. These are the few keyword types as well. So always recommend you to use those keywords which are relevant to your audience, like what your audience is looking for. Now filter out the negative keywords. If you are not filtering out the negative keywords, that means your ad is being clicked with unrelevant search terms as well. Your ad is being displayed to unrelevant search users. Like if someone is looking for the Canon 200D refurbished, then and you are targeting audience for new DSLR camera, that means that particular audience, that particular users are not getting conversions, that are not being getting converted. So always use the filter to negative keywords. Use the exciting offers. Like if your competitor is targeting the same price, same thing, and in the same delivery time, then why the purchaser will go with your website? Why will the purchaser will go with your store? Why will purchaser will go with your product? So I strongly recommend you to add the exciting offer, like 20% off, free shipping, like 1+1 for apparel category, or for any other small value, small order size value category products, and use the exciting offers to stand out alone from your competitors. Target your competitors top keywords. Like if your competitor is targeting, like I'm going to share you a few things. Like there is one marketing tool, Proofly. Proofly used for used to show social proofs on your websites, like how many people are visiting your website, how many people are getting converted. If someone is visiting your web page, then Proofly show how many people are buying that particular product, or buying your service, or visiting your web page. Then your then how it will work? I'm going to use the Proofly competitor brand names as well, brand keywords as well, like activation and other competitor keywords as well. Like if I am going to create a campaign for fog deodorant, then I am going to target other for Hitman, other deodorant, or other products as well, other competitors brand names as well. So always target the competitors top keywords. That's how you can improve the conversion rate. So that's all about the how you can improve your conversion rate, and how you can increase your ROI as well. So let's meet in the next module.